All right, well, today we're here with Miss Eitel, and Miss Eitel has an amazing story for you guys, amazing journey she has, and I really want you guys to really listen very closely to everything this young lady has to say, because this is a very powerful story, and this is, to me, is what it's all about. So, Miss Eitel, if you could just start from wherever your heart desires, and we'll rock it.
My name is Hayli Eitel. I'm 48 years old. I am a mother of 7. I've always been somebody that's tried to keep their weight in check and eat healthy, and I was born and raised in Albuquerque, New Mexico. In 2011, I went to the hospital for what I thought was a urinary tract infection, and I got quite a surprise when I found that I had a large tumor that was wrapped around my left kidney. It was diagnosed as renal-cell carcinoma. I lost that kidney. I think at that moment you realize that you have an underlying health issue. You think you're healthy, and it's kind of something that, knocks you in the dirt a little bit. So at that moment, I realized that I needed to address my health as a whole. I think at the base of cancer is an immunity issue, so I knew that I needed to address that. That's when I came to Charles, and I started taking the foundation blend. I can't stress enough how after you have a major illness, you're dealing with the emotional issues, the physical, just the changes, and then middle age as well, being a middle-aged woman. And when I did start supplementing with the Crucial Blend, it was a life changer. My energy levels returned to normal. I had a 3-year window where I had to be cancer-free, a 50-50% chance of it returning. In November of this year, I will have my 3 years and will breathe a lot easier. And I think that Crucial 4 has enabled me to address the underlying immunity issues.
Awesome. So
Also, well, I'm sorry. It's just an energy, overall well-being.
Yeah. So increased energy, just a sense of feeling good, right?
And then addressing underlying really serious issues.
Yeah.
And it's like
we talk a lot about modulation here. So a big part of my deal is when I tell people about working with the immune system, it's not necessarily we want to boost it. Let's just raise it. Let's just boost it. It's like with disease. A lot of the Western mentality is let's kill it.
Right.
And we don't really look at dis-ease or disharmony like that. So when we bring in some of these nutrients in the InSupport Foundation Blend, InSupport Cacao is the one that you took most.
That's correct.
It has a group of medicinal mushrooms which help modulate. And that's what she's talking about for us when she says that underlying immune issue. The mushrooms come in and help modulate that immune system.
Right. And you can actually, there's very few things that we can take where you can actually feel the difference in the way you feel. And I can't stress enough, I try to never miss a day, because that is the change. That's the life-changing feeling. I also have hypothyroidism, so I deal quite often with, I'm lethargic.
Yeah, just tired.
Those days. And I think middle-aged women are struggling with that as
well.
Right.
And that's kind of the norm, right? To be that,
that's
feel
correct.
that way. But that's not necessarily how it has to be.
It doesn't have to be that way.
Yeah.
So here I am. I'm a middle-aged woman. I'm a mother of 7.
Wow.
And I feel better now than before I found out I had my cancer.
Wow.
So how can you compete with that? How can you explain, that it's amazing.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much
You're
for coming
welcome.
out.
Thank you for having me.